How much should you actually spend on a whole house water filter? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. The real question isn't about price, it's about what your water actually needs and which system delivers real protection without overpromising. Product number 1, PUREPLUS 5 Micron Carbon Block Filter. The PUREPLUS 5 Micron 10 x 4.5 filter caught my eye because it's built for tap water and comes from a brand with serious industry experience. Priced at just $39.42 for a 2-pack. It's positioned as a budget-friendly replacement cartridge that still holds certifications like NSF 42 and BPA-free standards. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses multi-layer density tech with coconut shell-activated carbon and 3 polypropylene layers. That means it doesn't just catch big stuff like sand and rust. It also reduces up to 99% of chlorine and VOCs, which improves taste and smell across your whole home. It's compatible with major systems like GE FXHTC and Culligan RFC-BBSA and filters up to 30,000 gallons. That's about 3-6 months for an average family, so you're not constantly swapping filters. Now, some people complained about it underperforming with well water. Here's the thing though, this filter is specifically designed for municipal tap water. If you're on well water, PUREPLUS even tells you to check their other model, B01N9024NF. So it's not a flaw, it's a mismatch. But if you're on city water, this is a solid, certified option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, certified replacement filter that improves taste and protects your plumbing. Skip this one if you rely on well water or need heavy-duty iron removal. At under $40, it's a great value for what it delivers. Product number 2, Membrane Solutions String Wound Sediment Filter. Next up is the Membrane Solutions 5 Micron String Wound Filter, and honestly this one surprised me with how well it handles dirty water. At $37.75 for a 6-pack, it's dirt cheap per filter, less than $6.50 each, and it's built for homes with high sediment loads. If you've got well water or older pipes, this could be your first line of defense. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The string wound design has 4 times the dirt holding capacity of standard PP filters and double the flow rate. That means fewer clogs, longer life, and better water pressure throughout your house. It removes up to 99% of sediment, rust, sand, and silt, perfect as a pre-filter before carbon or RO systems. It fits most 10x 2.5 housings, so it's super versatile. And with a lifespan of 15,000,20,000 gallons, you might only change it twice a year. Now, some people complained about it not filtering dissolved contaminants like chlorine or chemicals. Here's the thing though, this is a sediment filter, not a carbon filter. It's meant to protect your other filters and appliances from physical debris. If you want chemical removal, you need a second stage. But as a standalone sediment solution, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you have well water, visible particles, or want to protect your plumbing from grit and rust. Skip this one if you're only concerned about taste or odor. You'll need a carbon stage for that. For the price and performance, it's a steal. Product number 3, iSpring 3-stage whole house filter set. Now, if the previous filters felt too basic, the iSpring F3 WGB 32BM 3-stage filter set takes a completely different approach. At $160.25, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's not just a filter. It's a full replacement pack designed for homes with serious water issues, especially iron and manganese. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines 3 stages: sediment, carbon block, and iron manganese reduction into one powerful package. The iron filter can handle up to 3 ppm of iron and 1 ppm of manganese, which is huge if you've got rusty water or staining on fixtures. The carbon block removes chlorine, herbicides, and solvents, while the sediment filter catches particles down to 5 microns. Together, they process up to 100,000 gallons, enough for a family of 4 for a full year. Now, some people complained about the lack of NSF certification on the full system. Here's the thing though, the individual filters are tested to NSF standards, and iSpring offers lifetime US-based tech support. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to note if certifications are a top priority for you. This is perfect for you if you have well water with iron, manganese, or chemical concerns and want a complete, long-lasting solution. Skip this one if you're on clean municipal water and just need basic filtration. At $160, it's an investment, but for the coverage, it's justified. Product number 4, Culligan WH-HD 200C Whole House System. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants a complete system, not just cartridges. The Culligan WH-HD 200C is a full whole house filter system priced at $73.16, and it's built like a tank with a stainless steel housing and one inlet-outlet for high flow. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It reduces sediment, rust, scale, and bad taste across your entire home, protecting everything from your washing machine to your shower head. It's designed for heavy-duty use and can handle up to 16,000 gallons before needing a cartridge change. The included wrench and mounting bracket make installation straightforward, even for beginners. And it's compatible with a wide range of Culligan cartridges, so you can customize based on your water needs. Now some people complain that the filter cartridge isn't included, you have to buy it separately. Here's the thing though, that's actually common with whole house systems. It lets you choose the right filter for your water type, but it does mean an extra purchase up front. This is perfect for you if you want a durable brand name system with easy maintenance and strong appliance protection. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and can't afford the extra cartridge cost. For under $75, it's a reliable entry point into whole house filtration. Product number 5, Culligan WH-S200C Filter Housing. Finally, if you're looking for something simpler and more compact, the Culligan WH-S200C Filter Housing is a great alternative. At $51.50, it's the most affordable complete housing on this list, with a clear design so you can actually see when the filter needs changing. If you want visibility and ease of use, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3/4 inlet-outlet fits most homes, and the valve and head bypass makes cartridge changes quick and mess-free. The pressure relief button is a small but useful feature. It lets you release pressure before opening so you don't get sprayed. It holds standard cartridges like P5 and CWF so you can upgrade later if needed. And the clear housing, it's not just for looks. It helps you monitor filter life without guessing. Now some people complained about reduced water pressure with certain cartridges. Here's the thing though, that's more about the filter you choose than the housing itself. Stick to low-restriction cartridges and you'll maintain good flow. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, visible, and easy-to-maintain system for basic sediment filtration. Skip this one if you need high-capacity filtration or have very poor water quality. For the price and design, it's a smart starter system. So which one should you pick? The PUREPLUS is great for tap water and chlorine reduction. Membrane Solutions wins for sediment-heavy well water. iSpring is the powerhouse for iron and chemicals. Culligan's WH-HD 200C offers durability and brand trust. And the WH-S200C is ideal for simple, visible maintenance.